So yes, we had started the structural organization in animals topic, and also we started with the muscular tissue of the three types, right? Three types of the muscular tissue, and the muscular tissue of number one type, that is the striated muscle tissue. Striated muscle tissue also called as this is having the full control on our movements. That is, all the willing movements are provided by the striated muscle tissue. Got it? Right? That is the skeletal muscle tissue. Why it is called as striated muscle tissue then? That is because of the presence of the light and the dark bands. ठीक है? और हमने ये तीनों टिश्यूज जो हैं एक ही साथ कंपैरिजन में पढ़ने हैं ताकि इसके स्ट्रक्चर पॉइंट्स एंड डिफरेंसेस सारे इकट्ठे आपको क्लियर हो जाए. सेकंड काइंड इज unstriated muscle tissue. Unstriated muscle tissue also called as smooth muscle tissue. This is because this is not having any striations like dark and light bands. That is why called as unstriated muscle tissue. This is unstriated because of the absence of the light and the dark bands. And what is the other name? That is a smooth muscle tissue. So it gives a smooth appearance. Sorry, this is smooth. So that is why this is called as smooth muscle tissue. And the third type of the muscle tissue we will be studying here, that is cardiac, because the two are involved in creating the involuntary actions of the movements, but this is for specially for the heart. Heart के अंदर जो movements आनी है, that is specially controlled by cardiac muscle tissue. That is why it has been separated out, right, from the category of unstriated muscle tissue. Got it? Coming to the structure points now. As I told you, this is striated, called as striated because of the presence of light and dark band. So this is noticed here, the presence of dark, light and the dark bands. Whereas such this is not possible in the unstriated muscle tissue. That is the absence of light and dark bands. Absence of light and dark bands. Here there is appearance in the cardiac muscle tissue. There is appearance of the light and the dark band, but that is not because of the structure similar to the striated one. Okay. These darker regions are visible. Intermediately, darker regions are visible, which is because of the intercalated discs. Okay? So we can say dark regions are visible or are noticed, visible due to intercalated discs. Okay? Intercalated डिस्क की प्रेजेंस से ही ये डार्क बैंड्स के जैसा स्ट्रक्चर्स जो है वो प्रॉपर्ली अवेलेबल हैं. ठीक है, क्लियर? सो दैट इज द डार्क रीजन्स आर विजिबल ड्यू टू द इंटरकलेटेड डिस्क इन द कार्डियक मसल टिश्यू. डन. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज striated muscle tissue. These are the only ones which are multinucleated. Okay, these are the multinucleated structures, whereas the others both are uninucleated. ये भी uni है और ये भी uni, यानी कि single nucleus is present. Okay, presence of multinucleated condition is noticed only and only in the striated muscle tissue. Neither in the unstriated nor in the cardiac. They both are uninucleated. Got it? Now the next is the cardiac ones are the only ones that which are branched. Other two are unbranched. Okay. So the only one type of or category of muscle tissue which is branched is the cardiac muscle tissue. So second here, unstriated is unbranched. Similarly, the striated one is also unbranched. Branched. Okay. Now coming to the shapes of these. The striated muscle tissue, they are having the cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape. So they have cylindrical, they are cylindrical in shape. Whereas the unstriated muscle tissue, they are having the component cells of this muscle tissue that is having the spindle shape. Spindle means it is narrow from the sides. Spindle shaped cells. It is narrow from the ends, later ends, and it is broad from middle. Okay. And the cardiac muscle tissue, these are having the shape that is branched hai. So irregular and branched shape. So these are having the irregular shape. Okay. Not any prominent, but along with being irregular, they are again branched. Got it? Right? Done. So these are a few points of the structural differences. Coming to the functional difference. The striated muscle tissue that helps to provide the willing movements. Willing movements provide करता है, यानी कि जो movement आपकी अपनी control में है, ठीक है? So this helps to provide, or this provides the willing or voluntary. Willing के लिए हम word use करते हैं voluntary movements that is done by the striated muscle tissue. Unstriated muscle tissue is, this is providing the unwilling movements, but out of it हार्ट की मूवमेंट्स भी अनविलिंग है, लेकिन वो सेपरेट एंड एक्स्ट्रा टाइप की है, स्पेशल टाइप की है, इसलिए बाकी सारी अनविलिंग मूवमेंट्स जो हैं वो यहाँ पे हैं, ठीक है. सो प्रोवाइड्स द अनविलिंग और इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस और मूवमेंट्स, इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस और मूवमेंट्स, राइट. And the other, that is the cardiac muscle tissue, this is also providing the same involuntary action but specially controlling the heart movements. Okay, so this provides involuntary movement specially of heart, because that is a special organ in our body. Got it? So this is what, this is the structural organization में हमारा third tissue, muscle tissue, and उसके 3 types, striated, unstriated and cardiac. ठीक है. Now coming to the diagrams. Diagrams में starting with the very first, in details you'll be studying this diagram again in details in your locomotion and movement chapter. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे if you have noted it down, anybody who is left to note down these points, these are all covered. So this is now continuing this with the diagram. जो points हमने लिखे हैं वही हमने diagram में भी represent करने हैं, ठीक है. So the diagram, पहली चीज, they are in the cylindrical form. So if I make their cylindrical shape like this, these are available in the form of the cylindrical shape like this, and because I have to draw on this side also, that is why I've reduced the size. Okay, so this is the cylindrical shape, and if you show the cross section of this, if you open out one side, then what is the visibility over here? It is like the bundle, it seems to be a bundle of the यू कैन से डिफरेंट ऑफ द रो लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, ठीक है। जैसे अगर मैं सपोज करो एक चॉक्स का अगर मैं पूरा बंडल पकड़ लूं, ठीक है, यहाँ पेंसिल्स को इकट्ठा करके आप एक बंडल पकड़ लें, पेंसिल्स को पेन को पकड़ के, तो वो आपको कैसा अपीयरेंस देता है? इट इज वन बंडल, है ना, दैट इज सिलेंड्रिकल, पूरा सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में होगा। फ्रंट से आप देखेंगे तो सबके सर्कल्स आपको अलग अलग नजर आएंगे, टर्मिनल एंड्स, है ना। तो ऐसे ही यहाँ पे है, ये जो सिलेंड्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर मिला है इसको, दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द बंडल्स। एंड व्हाट आर दोस बंडल्स? दे आर द मसल बंडल्स, ठीक है। मसल सेल्स जो हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा कंबाइन कर जाते हैं और वो बहुत सारे ऐसे बंडल्स बनाते हैं। तो वन मसल बैंड is made up of the several muscle bundles. So like this, these are the muscle bundles in it. Okay, what is this? This is one muscle band. एक muscle band है. One muscle band is made up of several muscle bundles, and every muscle bundle is further made up of, it is further made up of muscle cells, numerous muscle cells. तो इसके बीच में यहाँ पे बहुत सारे muscle cells present होंगे कुछ इस तरह, ठीक है। So these are the, जैसे मैंने अभी बोला, एक bundle of pen और pencil पकड़ोगे तो ऐसा पूरा एक क्लस्टर नजर आएगा, है ना। तो उनके आगे फ्रंट से ऐसे सर्कल्स नजर आते हैं, ठीक है, राइट। Similarly, you will be making in all, but you pull out one of the cells, इस तरह से बाहर पुल आउट करके दिखा देंगे। देन यू कैन ऑल्सो शो दैट दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अ सिलेंड्रिकल रो लाइक स्ट्रक्चर। जैसे एक पेंसिल को बंडल से बाहर निकाल दिया, ठीक है, ऐसा एक बंडल में से पेंसिल को बाहर निकाल दिया तो ये कुछ इस तरह से नजर आता है। बाकी ये सारा किसका बना हुआ है? दैट इज, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ नंबर ऑफ मसल सेल्स, न्यूमरस मसल सेल्स इन इट, okay, all organized to form a muscle bundle, and many muscle bundles organized to form the muscle band. Got it? Right? Then these, each of the muscle cells, they are also accompanied with each of the muscle cell. Each of the muscle cell is accompanied with the blood vessels. ठीक है? Both artery as well as the vein. तो artery और vein हम लोग वैसे भी red और blue से represent करते हैं. So this is the blood vessels. Okay, the blood vessels associated with every of the muscle cell. Got it? Right? You can come here if you are not able to see. हाँ जी बच्चे, done. So what is this pulled out structure? हाँ, every muscle cell has this you can say blood vessels, ठीक है। जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि कैपिलरीज जो होती हैं वो हर ऑर्गन के अंदर तक रीच करती हैं, हर ऑर्गन के हर पार्ट तक रीच करती हैं। तो ऐसे ये इसका पार्ट है, मसल सेल, है ना। सो दिस इज हैविंग द ब्लड वेसल्स विद इट। सो दिस इज व्हाट, दीज आर ऑल द numerous of these are called as the cells. These are all muscle cells. Clear? This is only a generalized diagram which I am giving you, and these two surrounding are the blood vessels, artery and the vein. Clear? Now if you look into the inside of this, अगर आप अनसाइड देखें इसका जो हमें पूरा फुल एक्सप्रेशन आता है, इसका लुक आता है, दैट इज इट शोज स्ट्राइएशंस, इट शोज द स्ट्राइएशंस लाइक लाइट एंड द डार्क बैंड्स विच आर रैंडमली प्रेजेंट, ठीक है। ये लाइट बैंड्स किसके बने हैं? डार्क जो डार्क बैंड्स हमें नजर आ रहे हैं वो कैसे हैं, क्यों पॉसिबिलिटी अलग अलग जोन्स की नजर आ रही है। दिस डिटेल्स ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर you will be studying in the chapter locomotion and movement from term 2. Okay, you can make it anywhere, like anywhere in the diagram, light and the dark bands. So because of this presence of the light and the dark bands only, this is known as striated. क्यों इसको striated बोला? क्योंकि इसके अंदर striations available है। और किसकी striations है? Light and dark bands की। कैसे पॉसिबल होते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स इन इट, दैट वी विल बी स्टडिंग लेटर ऑन, राइट। सो यू कैन लेबल दीज डार्कर जोन्स एज डार्क बैंड्स एंड द लाइट जोन्स एज लाइट बैंड्स, ठीक है। सो दीज आर डार्क एंड द लाइट बैंड्स. Also we wrote that this shows multinucleated condition, because there are number of cells are present and as a whole there are no boundaries, so they look like the numerous of the nuclei are available on the cross section of this muscle tissue, and so they look like the multinucleated structures. So like this nuclei, they are present all around the structure. So label these parts as nuclei or the nucleus. Plural of nucleus is nuclei. Okay, got it? So this was the first structure. That is the structure of the, this is the structure of striated muscle tissue or the skeletal muscle tissue. Coming to the second type, that is the unstriated muscle tissue now. For unstriated muscle tissue, as we wrote that they have what type of the cells, what is the shape of the cells? It is spindle shape. Okay. Unstriated muscle tissues को draw करने के लिए we are going to draw it in a particular section. ठीक है, sectional view आप इसका show करेंगे, means you are showing it from a particular part. Okay, they are not having this structure of a box. जैसे हमने roller को बनाया था ना एक particular part में, ऐसा ही आप इसको बनाएंगे. That is just a particular cross section we are taking for showing the different cells in a unstriated muscle tissue. They do have the spindle shape, broad from the center and tapering from the ends. Okay, so what is that shape? It is something like this. Okay, so this is the shape of a single cell, that which comprises the tissue. Unstriated muscle tissue that is having this single cell, the shape is this, right? ऐसे ही sides पे और combine कर जाएंगे, है ना? हम cross section में दिखा रहे हैं ना, so you will be continuing it like this. These are present in the rows and they form some structure like this. Then the next line, beneath it. अब जब beneath वाली बनाएंगे तो ये इस तरह से arranged होते हैं कि जो bulged portion है अभी इनके narrow portions के alternate होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपने ये bulged part बनाया and then narrowing it down to the middle of the upper one like this. Got it? Similarly, you continue this, making the diagram on all the sides. You continue it and completely fill this box. Okay, like this. The structure should be bulged and narrowed, right? Similarly, अब third line बनाएंगे तो ये बीच में फिर से आ जाएगा. That is the bulged part, a complete of the cell. So you can just complete out all this portion. Right? But they should be all arranged in the proper patterns. Okay. So this is the cells arrangement. How smooth arrangement it is giving. And appearance is so smooth. That is why this gives a smooth name as well. That is a smooth muscle tissue. Now each of these has a nucleus. So they are also showing their boundaries as well as the nucleus. That is why we name them as uninucleated structures. So these are the uninucleated structures having one nucleus in each cell. Also along with this, there will be the presence of cytoplasm. And cytoplasm will also be there. That cytoplasm here in these cells, because these are the cells of the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue के जो भी cells होते हैं ना बेटा, there is a term used for the muscle cells. For the cell membrane, we call it as sarcolemma. ठीक है, अभी तक आपने एक टर्म पढ़ा है सेल मेम्ब्रेन का, प्लाज्मा लेम्मा, है ना? सेल मेम्ब्रेन is also called as plasma lemma. So there there it will be termed as, here in the muscle cells, this will be termed as sarcolemma. Sarcolemma. The cell membrane or the plasma lemma is called as sarcolemma. The cytoplasm of this, of a general cell, it is called as cytoplasm. But for the special muscle cells, it is called as sarcoplasm. What is that? It is sarcoplasm. Got it? And there are also certain lines of contractions on this. So these lines of contractions, they are present over the structures like this. Okay? तो ये सारे cells में इस तरह से present होती हैं. That which will be providing the contraction and relaxation to the cells and hence to the tissue. So it is present over all the cells like this. Clear? And here are no dark and light bands. दिखे आपको कोई light and dark bands? नहीं, है ना? So that is, they do not show any striations. That is why they are called as unstriated muscle tissues. So on all the cells, there will be present these type of the lines, which are termed as myofibrils. That which helps in the contraction and relaxation of the cells. So what are these lines called as? These are myofibrils. Also label the nucleus. This is the nucleus. Got it? So this is the second type of the tissue, smooth muscle tissue. Done? Now coming to the next, that is the cardiac muscle tissue. Last is the third type of the muscle tissue, cardiac. As we said, this is having the branch structure, okay, and irregular structure, but branched. So the structure that can be drawn as, this is showing the branching like this, and irregularly formed. Plus also this is showing the branches. तो इस तरह से इसकी branches हैं. So ये आप किसी भी तरह ऐसा बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? So that is the cardiac muscle tissue showing certain branches, but along with that, it also shows intercalated discs, है ना? तो intercalated disc और वो जो dark bands बनाए हमने similar बना रहे हैं ना, तो appearance ऐसा ही dark zones का ही आता है, but that is not due to the same structure possibility that of the striated. This is also due to the presence of special discs present over only the cardiac muscle tissue called as intercalated discs. Okay, ji? So each of this section will be having a nucleus and hence called as uninucleated. So this is uninucleated condition. Done? Easy. Label these parts as intercalated disc. This is intercalated discs. These are the nuclei. And also the fluidy material of this. So this makes the structure of the cardiac muscle tissue as well. So these are the three types of the muscle tissues. Anyone having any question? Any doubt to anyone? Yes.